Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, who out there has the amazing problem of meeting people over and over and over again, but then can never remember their name? Guilty. I'm definitely guilty of that. So, how do you how do you really try to remember people's names instead of just you? Right? Hey, you, how you doing? Well, I'm probably not the right guy to ask that advice, but what I will say is, if you can be dynamic enough just to remember the face at least, here's actually one of the tricks I started doing was every time I put a contact in my phone, I take a picture of me and them together. Because that way, when my phone rings, I get an association of that moment, and then I can seem to remember the name a little bit better too. So if I was going to give you a tip, I would say that's probably the best one I can give you. Maybe it's not the best, but that's what I got. Peace. See you on the next episode. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.